2 vocations I knew would be good, and sorry I could not pursue both. And being one human, long I stood, and looked at one as fast as I could, to where it led clear in my life. Then took the other as just as nice, and being perhaps the riskier, say, because it was hard yet had much spice, though a roll of the proverbial dice had worn many by action and sway. And both that morning equally lay, graciously my wife had my back. Oh, I kept the 9 to 5 for another day, yet knowing how pay leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. 2 vocations I knew would be good, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the